Hi there, I am Sam Mendelson from the CovaxSF Twitter bot, and this video is just a few tips on how to get a COVID vaccine via MyTurn as fast as possible. So, the first thing that you'll want to do is go on Twitter, twitter.com/CovaxSF, and create an account, follow the bot. There'll be a little bell icon right here. Go ahead, click on that, and click on all tweets. And that way you will get a notification anytime the bot tweets, and it only tweets when there are vaccines available. So that's helpful, but another really helpful thing, download Twitter app on your phone and make sure you turn on notifications, and that way you will get notifications on your phone, so wherever you go, you're getting notifications. You will know when appointments are available wherever you are. So specifically with MyTurn, once you go to MyTurn, even if there are no appointments available, when you go to your computer, just go to register and check my availability, put in all your information, so whatever it is, but make sure you're eligible, click on continue, and then you'll see congratulations, you are eligible. Now put in your zip code. I'm just going to put in San Mateo here. Oops, all right, that's fine. And if there are no appointments, it looks like we got lucky, there are some appointments, but if there are no appointments available, that is totally okay. Now this happens too, right? You see nothing come up, really there are no appointments available. So what you can do is you can click on this little change location button, and that will take you back to this step. And then, later, if appointments are available, if the bot tweets, you can just type in your city again, and then it will recheck for availability, and you will see the locations available. So keeping your information there is a great way. You just click the change location button, and it will auto recheck for locations for you. Very, very convenient. Another really good tip is keep your, if you have health insurance, keep your health insurance card with you or pictures of it with you, because one of the questions that MyTurn will ask you when you go to book an appointment is if you have insurance, it will ask you to input your insurance number. And this way you don't have to slow down. You can just go through the entire process as quickly as possible and make sure you get that appointment. So just to sum it up, follow the bot, turn on notifications, turn on notifications on your phone, and use the change location button instead of reloading the page, because if you reload the page, you have to put all your availability information again. So those are just a couple tips. If you have questions, we have an FAQ. So if you go back to the bot, you can click on this little FAQ link. You'll see it pop open. There's a whole bunch of information here. If you need to contact us, again, create a Twitter account, follow the bot. You'll see a little envelope icon right here. You can send us a message. We will get back to you. So thank you very much for using CovaxSF. We wish you the best of luck getting an appointment, and have a good one.